Welcome to Northern Pen Shop Eye channel. Thank you so much for always supporting us. If you haven't subscribed, just click the subscribe button and help us reach 20,000 subscribers. For breaking news, please visit www.2010shopeye.com. Eitada. This is No 2010 Shop Eye channel. We are here at Orlando Stadium, Orlando Pirates 1, Magesi FC 1. Bafo kunjani?
Hey bafo siyaphila singeza kuwena bafo.
Siyaphila. Ngicela ubingelele amajita eShop Eye la. Nabo Shop Eye.
Bafowethu beShop Eye, majita weShop Eye ngithi masiphelele. Bafo angeke ngiqale nje ngingene kwezibhlungu ukuqala before ngingene kwezimnandi. Let me allow me to pass my deep condolences to two branches. First branch is here at Gauteng, Greater Blackburn branch. They lost their member, the name Temba Koza.
Okay.
I want to say rest in peace, Pagania. We always love you, always remember you. Sizwenza show ukuthi ngaso sonke isikhathi sama branch we Pirates sikunikeza uthando olufanele. And then ngiye KZN kwe Greater umzimkhulu branch yangasekhaya. They lost their member umqulusi Zulu. Ngithi my deeply condolences to the family, to the branch. Ngithi amabhakaniya uNkulunkulu uyapha, uNkulunkulu uyathatha. Ubaba umqulusi ubaba uZulu uMageba so siloko simkhumbula njalo sizomonara. Ngithi mabhakaniya sibambe njalo. Si family siumndeni sinto yodwa one big family si Orlando Pirates Football Club sabalandeli bafo sengiyangena ke manje bafo besizovala izozo bafo
benizovala
i-team enkulu eSouth Africa, i-team endala 1937 ibe nenhlanhla engandele nobubani ukuthi ivala ishafta today besivala ishafta ka Jose Olivero of which kumele sibongele uncikazi bafo ukuthi uthe mayinikezwa inikezwa lama game awufuwasele akukho la ekwatise khona abalandeli because i-team mayidliwa kula uthinta khona abalandeli ufuna inhliziyo zabo zikwadi kodwa kule 4 games I think uzongireminder or ungicollect uma nganginamanga ukuthi udraw 3 wa winner 1
4 games
kule 4 games yakhe of which uma ukhosha unikezwe i-chance enjalo ngama rating wakhona uke sithi wenze kahle kakhulu of which I hope ukhoza ushaman wethu esimthandayo iIron Juku again uzothi makufika ukhosha omusha mayiphonto ukhosha omusha uzokwenza sure ukuthi futhi ne dignity yabantu abamnyama uya continue nokuyi developer nokuyi defend ukuthi uma iqashe a white guy iassist again uyena futhi uncikaze because since uncikazi iassist amakhosha la Pirates sibona imisebenzi emihle bafo asiboni lento esinobe siyibona kwamanye ama assistant coacha interferisha afuna ukutake over masenikezwe i-chance i-team emehlule let's hope ukhoze uzo continue upgrade the way upgrade ngakhona so that one day maseshuza ukuthi azimele abe head coach to any team azi ukuthi uvuthwe ngokwenele ku-Orlando Pirates Football Club. Bafo abadlali bethu bePirates this season bahlale kakhulu bafo. Yes, ikona into ethi we can't compare ama game ka Root Crawl because abehamba ne league. Ama season ka Jose nayo amakhapa ahambe ne league but iSpanish guitar umehluko siwenzile mkhulu kakhulu and silethe happiness ku Orlando Pirates family all the time uyazi la esigodini bokugcwala kanjani my fear next season kwangathi icoach singayithola ngathi mayifika ngoba imoto vele i-sharp shoot akumele isithi imoto isikorokoro even thathu ke ufake inyathelo iclash inyathelo sanarate idumitsa maye iqhubeke bafe ingamane ipusha bafo uJose ushiyele ne future ku Pirates young players Sanga wabona abafana abagudi kangaka bebahle. Uthi develope kakhulu coach. Of which wa developer into ebonwa no ubani ukuthi ish. Shukuthi Pirates next season izoba trouble. I want to give my players a homework. For my players abesidlala ngawo next season. Even my management. Ukuze siyithathe ileague, there's a homework. Any team esidlala nayo Orlando, please, we need that team is collect a 3 point. So that singabi under pressure kama last game. Kube buya ama calculator kube everything. Sinathi kugcina sibe nemithandazo yokuminya ukuthi ubani kwangathi angadliwa no. Let's hope iIron Juku izoba motivate ukuthi next season advantage ithi season iqala nathi sibe siqasazi bayi sesiphezulu kweleague ke manje. I think sesi over ileague for a long time baf.
Kakhulu
sesithi kakhulu isikhathi ileague Pirates. Uyabona ileague singayithathi it's too much. Now abake basebenzele phezulu ukuthi le Betway njenga ithathwe Sundowns mayifika next season ayithathwe iPirates ngoba I can't trust Kaizer Chiefs baf. I can't trust Kaizer Chiefs, but anything can happen. I can't read down a performance this season for Kaizer Chiefs. Maybe next season ngaba surprise, but my homework is to my team Orlando Pirates Football Club. No guys, we need Betway seriously. Seriously lento yeSundowns ukuthi ithathe Premier League 8 times in a row. This is embarrassment.
Too much.
This is embarrassment. Kunama team amakulu like Orlando Pirates Football Club, like Kaizer Chiefs. Bafu bese ngiphinde ngibongele Mangesi bafu. Mangesi is a new promoted team. Yenze ama surprises kule season. Ngoba ifika yayithatha icup futhi engabi ithatha icup emathimini amancane yaqala nje ngokususa iPirates endleleni ofisho kushuthi indaba zabo bebezazi mayishift iPirates endleleni ngoba yazi ukuthi uJose mayingafika nayo kufinal yoba inkinga mayishift iPirates endleleni yaqondana ngqo neSundowns and then ngayiwonishi iSundowns bafu ngathi bangahleki lento yenzeke iPirates le Mangesi ngazi kweGilizman ngempela bafu yafuna thatha icup ezandleni zeSundowns ofisho kule season sagcina ke seshare abafu iSundowns yathola league yayo iMangesi yathola i calling knockout iPirates yathola MTN 8 iKaizer Chiefs yathola netback shoot isavele sashare le season shoot bekuyisizini egcine iba mnandi bafo kakhulu ngifuna ukuthi ke mangizovala completing ngithi ngiyayibonga iplayer number 12 yeOrlando Pirates Football Club ukuthi nje nowadays kuma awards wePSL I don't know is ukuthi ubani wajelasela abalandeli because abalandeli basupporta ibhola ngemali zabo offish uma ubona iOrlando Pirates away and home isupportwa kangaka bokufanele ithole indondo yabalandeli ionarwe ngokusupportwa kakhulu ema season elandilana ngoba nale season bafo abalandeli bePirates baphume all out baphume all out beseka i-team yabo offish award nje appreciation ukuthi no abalandeli bePirates benze kangcono mhlambe namanye ama team abalandeli babo bebengakhuthazeka bafo ebavuke baziqoqe bathi nathi sifuna ukufana nabalandeli bePirates ama team wethu akabongwe anyway mhlawumbe ke bafo ngelinye ilanga izobuya le award ngoba yake yabakhona bafuba angikhumbula kahle ke yabakhona le award ukuthi kwagcina kwenzekalana ukuthi igcina ingaseko ibe umlandeli edlala irole enkulu kangaka umlandeli uthenga ithikithi ngemali yakhe umlandeli uyazitransporta ngemali yakhe umlandeli ubhuka iaccommodation ngemali yakhe like now bafo njengabe sivale season namhlanje ngibone ibranch from Intuzuma branch umlungisi uGajeni ngimbonile ube la ngabona eFree State ngabona ubaba umfukeni wase Free State ephinda beshephesini nasemnambithi branch ela bafu ngabona umsobho osuka kwaDukuza eStenga ela ethi uzo honora ukuvalwa kwesizini uyabona bafu ukuthi abalandeli baspenda kanjani kuyasetshenzwa babo ngokuthando lwamahala for free of which ayikho into soyenza kodwa baphethe kuyakumela ukuthi bake bamhonora umlandeli
eke ngingakuphala ulimbafo
bafu
kuloko kushoyo manje
sure
ngicela ukuthi njengoba ufisa ukuthi baba honor abalandeli ngicela ukuthi uphinde ubacebise ukuthi benze njani bakhethe kanjani ukuthi okay sokhetha uJwaha manje sokhetha uSibanibani ngoba ngithi manje lento abalandeli baningi ene abanye abalandeli bafika bahlalele phezulu bangaculi lapha kodwa uthola ukuthi uza the whole season uspend imali like bakhethe kanjani
bafo isimple eyethu ukuthi nabalandeli more special because I'm not talking about individual for PSL. Okay. I'm talking about among of us as a supporters ama team ukuthi team esupportwe kakhulu ayike abalandeli bayo babongwe
and bese indondo ihlale kuphi
indondo phela iya eoffice le Pirates ukuthi le ndondo yabalandeli bePirates ukuthi any coach efikayo ikhonjuza ukuthi uyabona kwa Pirates kuna wonke ama cup uze kune cup ye best attendance yabalandeli be team
awusho babheke ukuthi i-stadium sigcwaliswe kangakanani
exactly ukuze senze i-competition serious
kumele basebenze bathini basebenze ne-stadium management
stadium management basebenze ne-stadium management bafo ngoba lento okumane kukhala kuthiwa kunama team asafara ngabalandeli I think somehow if ngaba khona i-competition nje serious honor abalandeli ne-team be proud ukuthi any coach efikayo iyamkhomba ukuthi like aya akusi team only nama players ashivayo even supporters ba ashiva sinalo icup labalandeli
sabonga bafo
thank you
hayi bakuzwile
hola
themba ukuthi bazoyenza lento leyo
hola bafo
danke futhi For your soccer updates and breaking news, please visit www.ngobo2010sharpi.com.